their contract signing today, nandito pa rin sina Direk Lauren Jogi and Tita Cory Vidanes, kasama ang kanilang Star Magic Manager, Miss Love Capulong. Of course, they will be co-managed sa pinagmanahan nila ng ganda at talent, Miss Kakay Mitra. At kasama na natin ang Head of ABS-CBN Music and Integrated Events, Sir Roxy Ligigan. Dahil syempre soon ay magre-release na sila ng kanilang debut single! Wow! And this is a must. Syempre, we would also like to acknowledge their biggest fan and supporter, ang isa pang pinagmanahan din nila ng ganda at talento, OPM icon and royalty, the Asia Songbird, their tita, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid! Nandito rin ang kanilang father, Mr. Raul Mitra! And their sister, Hannah! Tunay nating mga kapamilya talaga. Kaya naman tawagin na natin sila. Shining now more than ever as the top Star Magic artist. We have Ezri, Julia, and Tasha, the Mitra Sisters! Wow, looking like models walking our red carpet! It's giving face card, it's giving girl group. Hello, Mitra Sisters! Hi, it's so nice to meet you. I'm Ai. Hi! Hello, bati-bati lang muna. Hello? Hello, hello? Okay, now please proceed to your seats over there. Ang tatangkad, guys! Grabe, parang models! And to think, their talent or their talents rather are singing and dancing. So we can't wait to see what they have to offer for everyone. Alright, now we're seeing them greet our dear bosses. Alright, please take your seats. Yes? There you go. Okay. So now that they're settling down, syempre, kukumustahin natin sila isa-isa. Iisa-isahin natin ang Mitra Sisters. Let's start first with Ezri. Alright, Ezri! Ay, wait lang, kasi tayo ay magbablocking muna. Yes, para maganda ang ating seating arrangement with the Mitra Sisters. Yes? We would like to make sure that everyone is comfortable dito sa ating contract signing. Alright? Mitra Sisters, welcome! We're so happy to have you here. But isa-isahin natin sila. Let's start with Ezri. How are you feeling right now, Ezri?
I'm really nervous, but really excited. Happy to be here.
Thank you, Ezri. And now let's have Julia. Julia, how happy are you that you're entering a beautiful new chapter with your sisters?
It's really exciting. You know, at first, we weren't sure if we would get along. But now, it really is such a blessing that we get to go through this big change and this new journey together. So it's really exciting.
Yay! Babalikan natin yan sa media conference later. And now, Tasha. Tasha, how excited are you na magiging part na kayo ng Star Magic?
We're very excited po. We got to see our tita and tito really embrace this family and this community, so it just feels like such an honor that we get to be part of that.
Thank you, Tasha. You know what, when you entered, everybody was just stunned. But they are actually more than just face cards, guys. At eto ang patunay. Let's watch this.
Sabi nga nila, everything that comes in threes is perfect. So meet the three beautiful and talented young ladies who are perfectly meant for stardom.
Hi, I'm Ezri.
I'm Tasha.
I'm Julia.
And we are the Mitra Sisters.
Music is in our blood. We are the proud daughters of singer, producer, and talent manager Kakay Velasquez Mitra.
Our dad is musical director Raul Mitra, which means Asia Songbird Regine Velasquez Alcacid is our tita, or what we call her Yayay.
Music truly runs in their blood, pero bawat isa sa kanila ay may unique personality and different sets of interests.
So I'm a person who loves anything and everything art related. I graduated with a major in information design and a minor in Japanese studies in Ateneo. And I also happen to have a million hobbies. So that goes from singing, dancing, songwriting, as well as graphic design, illustration, and painting.
I describe myself as introverted and a little shy, but definitely not soft-spoken. I graduated AB Interdisciplinary Studies in Ateneo, and I love to sing, dance, and do theater acting.
I'm the loud, expressive bunso of the Mitra sisters, and I'm currently taking up BFA Information Design in Ateneo. I love collecting anything that makes me happy, anything that really brings me joy. I'm also interested in singing, dancing, and photography.
Equally beautiful, each with immense talent to offer. Together, they're the triple threat, ready to make their own mark. Shining now as the top star magic artists, Tasha, Ezri, and Julia, the Mitra sisters.
Alright, let's officially welcome the Mitra sisters. Now it's time for their contract signing. Grab your pens and let's seal the deal. Now together, the Mitra sisters are a force to be reckoned with talaga. But katulad ng napanood natin kanina, ang ganda rin na may sarili-sarili silang unique personalities. Ezri is the most artistic sister. Julia described herself as introverted but never soft-spoken. And Tasha is the loud, expressive sister. Iba-iba man ng personality, lahat sila very talented. Kaya we're excited sa mga i-offer nila, especially sa music. So there you have it. We have signed the contracts. Congratulations and welcome to the Star Magic family, Mitra Sisters. At syempre, we would like to hear a message from their momager. Miss Kakay, what is your message sa iyong beautiful daughters?
I don't know. I'm so nervous. Ako yung kinakabahan. But I always tell them na yung happiness nila is more important than sa amin. So, just enjoy the ride. But yung advice would be respectful always, be professional, and never complain. Kung magko-complain kayo sa house lang. Diba pag work, sometimes when you feel tired, you complain. I told them, never complain. Just be thankful. So,
Wow, what a beautiful lesson. Thank you po, Miss Kakay. And ngayon, kailangan din po kung pwede, makarinig din po tayo ng mensahe from their yayay, Miss Regine. Miss Reg, ano po ba masasabi niyo sa shining moment na ito ng inyong talented na mga pamangkin?
Of course, I'm very proud. And I just wanna tell the girls, all of these things will go away, but being sisters is more important talaga. For me parang so okay mag-away. Kasi mahirap to work with family talaga. But again, lahat ng ito mawawala, pero yung kapatid mo will stay with you forever. So, I'm so proud of you girls! God bless you!
Oh, very proud, Tita. Thank you very much, Miss Regine. And now, girls, we'd like to hear from you naman. Ano namang message ninyo? Ano masasabi nyo sa kanilang mga mensahe? And please, let's hear what's in your hearts right now. What's your message for everyone today?
I just want to say thank you to everyone who came here, to our parents, our family, to Star Magic, ABS-CBN, and for just giving us the chance to pursue our dreams. Even when we thought that we didn't get the chance to, we wouldn't get the chance to pursue it. So we'll really do our best. Thank you.
Thank you, Ezri. Julia.
Actually, same. I'm so thankful for this opportunity and so grateful that I get to do this with my sisters and with all my family involved. Thank you so much to ABS-CBN, all the heads for believing in us and for trusting us, even though we don't have that much experience. I'm just so grateful. Yes.
Maraming salamat. And Tasha.
thank you so much to ABS-CBN and Star Magic for giving us this opportunity. And I'm also just especially grateful that we get to do this alongside so much talented and passionate artists. And I'm just hopeful and that we get to make everyone investing in us and yeah, just to make everyone proud. Yeah.
Thank you, Tasha. And yes, Julia.
Thank you so much to Star Music as well.
Thank you very much. All right, and now everyone please stand because their face cards are ready for the photo op. Kaya naman, let's capture this beautiful moment with the Mitra sisters. Once again, we'd like to acknowledge Ms. Charisse Tino and Nice Print for our official photos of this event. We're really excited for what's about to come for the Mitra sisters. Again, their debut single is coming out soon. Under Star Music yan. So abangan po natin lahat. Once again, welcome and congratulations, Ezri, Julia, and Tasha, the Mitra sisters. Thank you once again, Direct Lauren, Tita Cory, Sir Roxy, Miss Love, and of course, Miss Kakay. Sir Erickson Raimundo of Cornerstone Entertainment. Welcome po, Sir Erickson. And present here today ay ang kanyang proud father. Please welcome Mr. Neil Arce. Direct Neil Arce, thank you so much for joining us. Hello po. And now, let's all welcome ang ating next shining Star Magic artist. Ready for his main character era? Please welcome Joaquin Arce! Hello, Joaquin. Welcome. Hi, I'm Ai. Nice to meet you. Okay, sorry. Please proceed to your seat over there. So tall. My goodness. Our new rising Star Magic artists, parang lahat sila model. Alright, kindly take your seat. Hello, Joaquin. Welcome. Alright, syempre kukumustahin muna kita, Joaquin. How are you and how did you prepare for this day? Are you ready to embrace being the main character this time?
Kinakabahan mo ako ng sobra. Well, today is just like any other day. Gumising ako, naligo ako, nag-gym ako. I just prepared just like any other day. But I'm so excited. So main character energy po. Nararamdaman ko lang po sa banyo po pag nagpa-practice ako ng lines.
Okay.
So, but to actually be here as a Star Magic artist, talagang, it's such an honor. Like, I'm so grateful to have Greg and Tita Cory and my handler at the show. My dad's was here watching. Very grateful.
I'm sure lahat tayo nakaka-relate, diba? Yung pag-i-imagine mula sa banyo, tapos ito na finally, it's coming to reality, yes. But right now, marami pa tayong dapat na malaman na interesting things about Joaquin. Kaya naman, panoorin natin ito.
His typical day includes going to the gym, playing sports, gaming, and watching a movie. But the movie fan is now ready to be the main character of his own story.
Hi, I'm Joaquin Arce. I'm 18 years old and I just graduated high school. I love cats.
I'm a very athletic person. I tried many different sports, wrestling, boxing, jiu-jitsu. I've been into acting and modeling. I'm very, very excited to act for Star Magic.
Marunong din po ako mag-gitara, which natutunan ko during the pandemic. Wala akong ibang ginawa nung pandemic kundi mag-video games at mag-guitar. And lastly, mahilig po ako sa movies. Sobrang hilig ko po manood ng series, K-dramas, western films. Sobrang excited ako na makita ko yung sarili ko sa big screen, makatrabaho ng mga legends of the industry. Hopefully, I can star in rom-coms and action movies, since those are my favorite genres.
Joaquin is very much inspired by his favorite actor, Brad Pitt, award-winning actress Miss Angel Locsin, who is now his stepmom, and his dad, movie producer Neil Arce. Lights, camera, action for the next-gen leading man and future award-winning actor. Shining now as a Tatak Star Magic artist, Joaquin Arce. Welcome to Star Magic, Joaquin, and now let's begin the contract signing and make Joaquin's Tatak Star Magic journey official. Kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, mahilig talaga manood ng movies, series at K-drama si Joaquin. So excited din tayo kung ano ba ang mga kwento na pagbibitahan niya soon. Kaya naman abangan natin yan. Alright, Joaquin? Yes, kindly seal the deal. Now, Joaquin's dad, movie producer Neil Arce, is very, very proud. Actually, his dad, Neil, directed Ibayan, a reality docu-series of ABS-CBN starring Miss Angel Locsin. And of course, very supportive ang kanyang stepmom, Miss Angel Locsin, na super trending ang show of love and support sa kanya kagabi lang sa Instagram. So, shout out po to Miss Angel if you're watching. Pero gaano nga kaya ka-proud sa anak niya si Direk Neil Arce? Kausapin natin siya ngayon. Direk Neil, what is your message for Joaquin ngayon na part na siya ng Star Magic?
Congratulations, and huwag mo ako papayain. Pressure. He's been wanting to act for, I think, 3 years now, and I'm very happy na he's here. And I saw naman his dedication in the past 3 years nag-workshop siya kahit walang sweldo, no? So, good luck, and do your best and let God do the rest.
Thank you, Direk Neil. And now, Joaquin, ikaw naman ang hihinga namin ng mensahe. What is your message now that you're part of Star Magic?
Like I said, it's an honor to walk alongside the best to ever do it. Lahat ng mga Tatak Star Magic artists, they're really up there. They're the face of Philippine showbiz. This is Philippine showbiz. And to walk alongside them and, you know, the cast behind them, the crew behind them, just means that I have to keep up and I have to do my very best para I could keep up with them. So it means a lot to me.
Well, we're so happy that you're already part of the Star Magic family, and now let's seal the deal as well with some photos. So kindly stand for our official photos that will be taken by Nice Print. Thank you once again to Ms. Charisse Tino and Nice Print for our official photos. And to everyone watching, please do post using our official hashtag, #ShiningNow. Thank you very much and congratulations! Welcome to Star Magic, Joaquin Arce! Thank you as well to Miss Margaret and Sir Erickson.